Hey folks, this is Reece Mullins, Vice President of the BMW MOA. Hey, I'm here to talk to you about the SENA 50S. I just ordered one recently through Revzilla. My SENA 20S died, or my wife's died. We went down to Finiac Springs. The wife's was completely dead, would not charge. Had them for about 4 years, bought them in 2016, been using them, love them. They've gone through everything, rain, dropped this one once, hadn't had any problems with them whatsoever. Excellent, reliable tool. I think I bought the pair at the dealership in Pensacola for about $300 if memory, it's been a while. But I definitely got my money's worth out of them. I like the SENA products. They've been working for me for a long time. The right speaker has recently, in the last month or two, started to buzz a little bit when I'm listening to music. Like I said, I've been very satisfied with the SENA 20S. I've connected with as many as 3-4 riders on mini rides. Very oftentimes, I'm kind of a chatty Cathy for those who have had helmet time with me. Got the SENA and immediately was able to Bluetooth to both my Nav 6 and my phone. I have an iPhone 8 Plus, so I recently purchased through Revzilla, watching their video, SENA 50S, a pair for me and the missus. She also has a Schuberth helmet as well. And I'm looking forward to those coming in and being able to put them on the helmet, have the unboxing ceremony, if you will. The SENA 50S, my understanding, is a very new product. A lot of them in the MOA use SENA products and others. And so this is an opportunity for me, who is a longtime SENA user now, and very familiar with the platform, how it works, to share that with you. So hopefully I'll be able to give you a decent review. No one's paying for this, right? I'm just a volunteer like anybody else. I paid for my SENAs myself. You know, if they totally suck, I'll probably send them back, and I'll be able to share that with you guys as well. Maybe save you any kind of heartache in purchasing something that you wouldn't want, which is our goal, right? Here with these type of videos and here with the MOAs, to share that information with the riding community, to work with our vendors, and hold them accountable for the products that they sell to our members. 50S came in. This is a video review of the 50S installation, package opening, and basically quality over the 20S. This is a SENA product. Just a quick note, these are the two helmets. To my right, your left, as we say in the military when doing drills. This is my helmet here, Schuberth E1, right, with the visor. I got it about 4 years ago in 2016. Excellent helmet, very quiet, very utilitarian, keeps the sun out of my eyes. Rhonda and I just went to a local hobby shop, like a dry flower arrangement type shop, and I bought one of these, right? This is just a circular type of, you may have seen them before, especially if you have significant others that are into hobbying and dry flowers, silk flowers and so forth. Basically what you can do with this is place it on the ground or on your table, place the helmet in there, and it'll hold the helmet up. I got these in the mail from Revzilla, the SENA 50S. I'm going to get a little bit closer, so you're going to see a little closer review of the unboxing and what comes in it. I like the box. When a product comes in, if it's if it's well packaged, I think that has a lot to do with the overall experience, right? The purchase experience. It's got a lot of instructions right here on the back, let you know. So these let you know. In fact, it's in different languages. But yeah, it's excellent. Let's dive in. Got a knife out. Looks like, doesn't this look like a straight razor? Kind of scary. Very sharp. All right, let's get it done. Let's get her done, as we say down here in Lower Alabama. Hard to believe I learned to speak the Queen's language over in England whenever I was 5 years old. My parents were stationed in England. Nice packaging, like I mentioned earlier in my last video. Beautiful packaging. Definitely enhances the buying experience. These folks are proud of their product.
kind of fun. You guys should do this. There you go, folks. It's like an iPhone. Comes in a nice, it's all clean, not a fingerprint on it, reflecting all my light. Beautiful, like a little gem. Very much like an iPhone, actually, as far as the packaging is concerned. Comes in a little foam container. I always like this kind of hard density foam. It's way over engineered for delicate electronics, I guess, if you can over engineer something, but it also makes for really good material to have around the man cave for whatever. More stuff and more stuff, and now the box is empty. So it looks like I have the product itself, the main component, the SENA 50S. And this looks like all the accoutrements, all the guts that I'm about to install. Again, nice box. SENA's definitely stepped up their game compared to what I remember when I got the 20S's. This is very Apple-esque. My foamies, let's see, I got a little bit of reflection going on here. Let me see if I can get rid of that. Like foamies and 3M stickies. This looks like the remote phone or the remote speaker cable. Not really sure. Find out here in a second. This looks like the charging cable. It's a little bit different than what I'm used to. It's got this like a little square here. That's interesting because that is definitely a charging cable. The old one didn't have that. Let's see, what else do we got? Well, maybe this is the charging cable. Hard to say. That's what the owner's manual is going to be for. Here's the hard mount. Looks like the hard mount package. Everything's packaged individually. Hard mount and the mouth boom, mic boom. And this looks like maybe an alternate mic boom option. So very oftentimes in these products, if you've used them before, very oftentimes the product will include multiple options for different setups. And then last but not least, probably the most important aspect for me anyways, for a novice like me, is the manuals. Comes in a big old box, whole bunch of manuals, which is immediately intimidating. Quick start guide in English, French. All right, so much less intimidating now. German, I'm not going to be able to pronounce all of those. SENA Wi-Fi adapter for 50 series quick start guide. Kind of explaining that little box that I talked about earlier. We'll see what's up with that. Also in different languages. This looks like it's in English. 50S certification and safety approvals. I guess the industry has to go through quite a bit of certifications. So this is all your legal certifications and so forth. So I have the three publications, the documentations that are in English that come with this setup. So there you go, folks. That's the unboxing ceremony in all of its glory. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you're enjoying the series. Not really sure how I'm going to film the next one. It's going to be installing this product in this helmet. Probably going to start off with uninstalling the 20S and then learning from that and taking out all the guts, putting all the guts back in. So I'm looking forward to it. I hope you are too.